Hi guys, today I'm having a look at this Dragon Cam action camera. Just picked this up from eBay. It was on a daily deal for £32 and I thought, you know, for the price it's quite good because it's got Wi-Fi, 20 megapixel camera, water resistant, it's 4K and it's got slow motion, etc. and other features. It's got quite a lot of nice little features on there. 20 megapixels, all these different resolutions, 2-inch LCD on the back, 170 wide angle lens, memory card up to 64GB which isn't included, battery, and it's compatible with an external mic. So let's have a look inside, see what we get. So we've got the main camera, put to one side. Then we have another box, and inside here we have lots of accessories. We go through these. We've got a couple of the same types of mounts, just different offsets, clip, got some cable ties, sticky adhesive pads by the looks of it, cleaning cloth, a spare window by the looks of it, more adapters, clips, mounting bracket. That looks like the sort of thing that you would put if you were going to mount it, say on the handlebars of a bike or on the headrest of your driver's seat in your car, so you could film yourself driving or something like that. So that's quite a handy little item there. A belt, or strap should I say. USB lead, another clip with a standard 1/4 inch screw thread, another belt, yet another clip, 2 batteries, that's actually good, 2 batteries, and your quick reference guide, which doesn't really say much, just about the app store, plug it in to charge it, etc, etc. But it ships in its waterproof housing. I'll leave that on actually for the moment because I don't intend to use the waterproof housing. It's quite a small camera as you would expect. Just open it up and have a look, see the actual camera itself. As you can see, nice, small, compact. So we've got a shutter button, LED indicator, power and mode button on the front there, mini USB, micro USB should I say, micro HDMI, memory card slot, microphone input, your little LCD screen which isn't touch, and your toggle buttons up and down for your menu. So we'll pop a battery in. I do like the fact that there's 2 batteries included in this, especially for the price. As I say, it was I think about £32 on one of the Amazon promotions, which I don't think is bad to be honest for this price of camera. So that just slots in there. Actually a nice feature that I like there. You just be able to pull it out, around, push it in. How many times do you want it to try and get a battery out of something and it's awkward to get out, whereas that, you've got a little tab, out it comes. I do think that's a nice little touch, especially considering the price. So we'll have a look at powering it up. You should just make, there we go, it has come up. Sounds like an old Windows, that, an old Windows 95 or something like that. In the box is a remote control there, which I forgot to mention. That's actually quite handy. I'm planning on using this for things like time-lapse Lego builds, that sort of thing. So the idea is the camera's mounted out of the way and you just hit it, take a picture, hit it, take a picture, and so on. Obviously you can start and stop video recording that way as well, which is handy if you've got it hidden in your garden, maybe taking photos of wildlife or something like that. So that's quite a nice little touch. So I'll have a look at the actual camera itself now on the menus. that's your mode button to toggle everything there, up and down through your menus and to select. Let's have a quick run through the different options you have. Obviously this is just something you'll set up the once and then you'll probably never touch it again. The different resolutions for recording. I think that's everything. It's nice to see a car mode. I suppose you could use this as a very cheap dash cam. Just use that bracket I showed earlier and mount it to your car seat. All in all, yeah, I mean it seems quite a nice tidy little camera. So be interesting to see how it performs. One thing I will add as a note is that actually appears to be a replacement for that, so if you damage or break that, it's quite nice that they send you a spare. As I say, I think for the price it's good value for money. Well, I hope you found that interesting, or at least of use. And if you're interested in looking at this camera, I've put the link on for Amazon below. I say multiple purposes you could use it for. So there you go. Thank you very much and see you soon.